Hi there, it's Ugu Carson from the PixelMate team. Now, what is PixelMate? PixelMate is the most advanced, result-focused graphic design tool you will ever need to create captivating static and animated banner designs and effectively use them to engage and convert visitors into buyers and customers. PixelMate is miles ahead of any graphics design tool you have ever used because you can create not only static but unlimited animated graphics, and you can download them in over 6 different formats, including MP4 videos or animated GIF. Or you can just embed them directly on your web page and get real-time traffic and conversion stats right on your PixelMate dashboard. PixelMate is the last graphics design tool you will ever need because it puts together all the features from your current design tools and the features your current design tools are missing and fuses it into one very powerful marketing-focused banner design software. And in this video, I'm going to demo the entire app and show you how you can use PixelMate to boost your sales and conversion, and also how you can use PixelMate app to start making passive income, creating these powerful static and animated marketing banners for your clients. You will see how you can create your first marketing banner campaign in less than 60 seconds using PixelMate. So let's get started. With PixelMate, you can create unlimited marketing banners in over 25 major banner sizes, including social media banner sizes and web banner sizes. Whether you're an online marketer, internet marketer, e-commerce store owner, advertising agency, graphics designers, website owner, blogger, or even a freelancer, you can use the designs you create with PixelMate to generate more leads and more sales for your business and for your client's business. PixelMate also comes with commercial license, and that means you can start selling the static and animated banners you create with PixelMate to clients around the world for as high as $650 as a marketing agency or a display ad consultant. Let me show you how you can use PixelMate to boost your e-commerce store sales. Right now, I'm on Amazon, the world's largest online retail store, and as you can see, Amazon has its own banner ads fully managed by their display ad marketing system. And they're getting significant boost in their sales. That's why you see these ads on all their pages, upselling customers to some of their hot-selling products and offers. You too can tap into this power of banner advertising on your store to remarket and upsell your visitors. If you're a freelancer or a graphics designer, here's how PixelMate can help you land big-ticket clients. We're on Fiverr right now, one of the top freelance sites. I'm looking at the gigs for animated banner creators, and you can see there are just about 164 matching gigs. That means you got less competition for a really big market, and you can quickly dominate this market using PixelMate. PixelMate helps you create animated banners in less than 60 seconds instead of using complex tools like After Effects. This means faster delivery, better ratings, and more jobs for you. As you can also see, you can have a starting fee of up to $40 for one single gig and as high as $650 to create these banners. This is huge because Fiverr gigs usually start at $5. Not only that, you can also offer your clients extended analytics services that comes free with PixelMate, where they can see in real time how many views, clicks, and click-through rate their banners are getting. Here's another example of how you can boost your leads and sales using PixelMate. Take a look at this blog right here. You can see it runs its own display banner campaign where it charges other businesses to start placing their banners on their website. You can create fresh new income stream using PixelMate where you charge clients for designing and posting their banner ads on your blogs and websites. Or you can use PixelMate to create banner ads and have other authority sites to post them on their websites and social media accounts and drive fresh new traffic and buyers to your website and offers. You can also use these designs for your Google display ad campaigns if you do Google advertising. PixelMate handles everything from design down to marketing. Right now, let me show you how you can create these display marketing campaigns with PixelMate in less than 60 seconds. There are basically two ways you can create banners using PixelMate. You can start from scratch, where you build your own design from scratch, or you can choose from any of the 1,000 plus graphics templates made by professional graphics designers. There are over 25 banner categories you can choose from. And once you find the perfect template for your campaign, you can head to the robust editor to customize it. Let's choose one of the templates now and then head over to the editor and customize it for our campaign. Now we're on the editor, you can customize everything. You can color, gradient, texture, or image backgrounds to your design. You can add text with over 200 font styles. You have a limitless design option. You can also add images and shape elements to your designs and edit them to your taste. So let's go back to our design and finish it up. Let's change some text now. You can add animation here. Click on the object you want to change, and you open the Properties panel. Over here, you can see the animation settings. You can change the animation duration and delay. You can edit the object as you want with these easily customizable features. You can also add clickable links to individual objects right inside the editor. So, for instance, if I want to add links to the button below, I can easily do that inside the editor, and in less than 60 seconds, my professional-looking banner is ready to boost sales for me. Now you can save your work and exit the editor. Back on the dashboard, you can download your design as JPEG, PNG, PDF, animated GIF, HTML, or MP4 video. Or you can embed it to any website. Start an affiliate campaign where you get other authority sites to embed your banners on their website. Over here, you can see the detailed real-time stats and analysis for your banner campaigns. You can see how many views, clicks, and click-through rate from your banner campaign. If you place these banners in more than one place on the internet, you can see in real time where your traffic is coming from and what percentage of traffic is coming from each source. PixelMate is a robust banner design creator and marketing software. As a bonus during the launch period only, we will be sharing with you our secret method for finding authority sites and influencers and get them to post our banner ads on their websites or social media account. This secret alone can skyrocket your sales to high heavens. We'll also share with you how we come up powerful ad headlines that cause people to engage and click on our banners. Now that you have seen the true power of PixelMate, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.